Hey guys, if you want to know how to open Lloyds bank account online, then this is the right video. At first, head over to Google and search for Lloyds on your Google just like so. After that, click on the very first account that pops up, and then what you want to do is click on menu and then the third option, current accounts. Just click on that one. After that, it's going to take you to a page like this. Scroll a bit down and there will be two options, classic and club. If you're a normal person, then just go for the classic, but make sure you check the requirements, and then you're going to click on apply. And then if you're new, just click on apply now, and then go a bit down until you see something like continue. So just click on that one. And now it's going to bring you to a page like this where it's going to ask you multiple different questions. All you need to do is just provide them whatever your preferences is. Make sure you read through all of them and then select what you want. And finally, you can click on continue, and it's just going to ask you for some more information. Just fill them up, and then once you're done, go to your nearest Lloyd bank account center to activate the account, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.